I think I messed up. I didn't invite you to the best event of the season yet. It's time to change that. Join us at my Highland Ave garden in Albany, Georgia for an afternoon of gardening and wine tasting. Date TBA from 3:00 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. You'll learn how to grow fall and winter herbs like sage and parsley indoors, and hardy vegetables like kale and spinach outdoors. Start with a glass of wine and get to planting with our expert-guided sessions. Whether you're a budding gardener or a seasoned green thumb, we've got something for you. General admission is just $60 and includes all materials, plants to take home, and a delightful wine selection. Want a little extra? Go VIP for $85 and enjoy premium wines, larger plants, and more exclusive perks. Not only will you leave with new gardening skills, but you'll also support community gardening initiatives. So grab your tickets today and join us for an unforgettable, sustainable gardening experience. Cheers to growing and sipping.